My name is Kanyam Bodlane, a first year student from City Varsity, and today I will be doing a presentation on the parts of the body today. I will be showing you guys the full skeleton, but we will be mainly discussing the scapula, the radius, and the spinal cord, aka the vertebra. So today I'll be talking about the scapula. So the scapula is a large triangular shaped bone that lies in the upper back. So the functions of the scapula is that the scapula is attached to the rest of the skeleton by the clavicle. The scapula allows the human body to do everything from shrugging like this. So with the use of our scapula, we are able to shrug our shoulders. We're able to throw fastballs or even throw a ball because of our scapula. And the most important function of the scapula is movement. It helps you to move. So the fact that I'm moving like this, it's because of my scapula. Then we move on to our spine, aka the vertebra. So it's right here. It starts right here and goes all the way down. And in the vertebra, we have 5 types inside the spine. So we have the first one here, right here at the top. It's the cervical, and there's like 7 vertebrae in the cervical. Then we have the thorax, and there's 12 vertebrae. Then there's the lumbar, and it has 5. Then there's the sacrum, and then it has 5, and they're fused. And then there's the coccygis, I don't know how to pronounce it. Then there's 4, and it's right here deep down there. Find the vertebra in the bottom of the neck, from the bottom of the neck to the top of the pelvis girdle. The pelvic the vertebra is also attached to the ribs, to your rib cages. So your rib cages are right here. So the vertebrae that do not have ribs are called the lumbar vertebrae. The main function of the vertebra is to protect the spinal cord. It provides stiffening for the body. It also provides attachment for the ventricle and the pelvic girdles and other muscles as well. It transmits body weight in walking and standing. So the vertebra helps us when the reason why we're standing is because of the function of the vertebra. The entire function of it is for you to stand and for you to be able to walk. Then the next one we have is the radius bone. The radius bone is found here, and the radius bone is one of the 2 large bones of the forearm, and the other bone is the ulna. The radius is the big bone here, and there's the ulna, the small bone. So the main function of the radius is to help the ulna and the radius so that there is movement in the wrist. So thank you so much for listening to my oral.